So for my project, I did the programming language of Dart. So Dart was created by Google in 2011 by engineers Lars Bak and Casper Lund. Their goal was to address the limitations in JavaScript and offer developers a more structured and flexible alternative. While Dart initially struggled to get off the ground, things changed dramatically in 2018 with the release of Dart 2 and its integration with Flutter. Flutter enabled developers to create apps for multiple platforms from a single code base. Then Dart 3 launched in 2023 and introduced significant enhancements like better error handling and support for new coding patterns, which keeps it relevant and powerful. So Dart is a versatile language supporting multiple programming paradigms. For object-oriented programming, Dart allows developers to define classes, properties, and methods, as seen in the animal class here. Imperative programming is supported through things like loops and conditionals, shown by the simple for loop here. It also supports functional programming. So functional programming treats functions as values, meaning you can store them in variables, pass them around, or return them from other functions. And this example shows how you can process a list in a clean and efficient way. This flexibility makes Dart a powerful tool for various programming needs. So Dart uses a static type system, which means it catches errors while you're writing the code rather than waiting until it runs. This helps you avoid common mistakes. It's also strongly typed, so you can't mix incompatible types, like trying to add a number to a string. Dart gives you the flexibility with typing. You can use explicit types, as in the first example, where we declare variables as integers and strings, or inferred types, where Dart figures out the type for you based on the value. This balance makes the code both safe and easy to read. The Dart standard library is packed with powerful tools for developers. It includes collections like lists, maps, and sets, which are great for organizing data. For tasks that involve waiting, such as fetching data from the internet, it supports asynchronous programming with futures and streams. The library also handles needs like file operations, as shown in the example here, where a file is created, written to, and read from. This feature set makes Dart versatile and efficient for a variety of projects. So the tic-tac-toe game demonstrates Dart's functional programming style and control structures. The game relies on functions to handle tasks like displaying the board, managing player and computer moves, and checking for a win, loss, or a tie. Loops are used to update the board during each turn, and conditionals ensure the rules of the games are followed. The sample code from the tic-tac-toe game shows a function to print the current game board, highlighting how the board is managed as a list of lists. The full game uses these techniques to maintain a clean and organized structure while handling the entire gameplay. And Dart is a powerful and modern language that has a bright future, especially for those looking to create efficient cross-platform applications, and it is definitely a language worth learning.